In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a tracker blocker and block cookies in your browser with Nordvpn. Ensuring your privacy online is essential, and using a tracker blocker is a great way to protect your data from being tracked as you surf the web. Let's get started by launching the Nordvpn application on your device. If you haven't already installed it, you can download it from the official Nordvpn website and set it up following the installation prompts. Once you have Nordvpn up and running, the next step is to navigate over to the app's dashboard. Here, you'll find a variety of features designed to enhance your online security. Look for the Threat Protection Pro feature and turn it on. This powerful feature is your frontline defense against a multitude of online threats. By activating it, you're effectively blocking web trackers, ads and banners, as well as malicious websites. Additionally, it provides significant protection by blocking cookies used for tracking on many sites. This means you're not just enhancing your security, but also enjoying a smoother, more streamlined browsing experience without the constant interruption of ads. Besides using Nordvpn, it's also a good idea to manually manage cookies in your browser to further safeguard your privacy. To do this, open your Chrome or Brave browser, whichever you prefer. Once the browser is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. Here you'll find three vertical dots, often referred to as the More button. Click this icon to open a drop-down menu, and then select Settings from the list. This will take you to the settings page where you can customize your browsing experience. Now, in the left-hand menu of the settings page, locate Privacy and Security if you're using Chrome, or Shields if you're using Brave. Clicking on this option will bring up a host of privacy settings related to your browser. It's time now to focus on the Block Cookies section. Here, you'll have the option to manage your cookie settings. You can choose to block third-party cookies, which prevents sites other than the one you're visiting from saving cookies on your device. Alternatively, you might decide to allow all cookies, though this offers less privacy protection. Choose the option that best suits your needs for optimal browsing behavior. And that's it. You've now successfully used NordVPN as tracker blocker and modified your browser settings to block or limit cookies. By taking these simple yet effective steps, you're significantly improving your online privacy and taking charge of your digital footprint. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips. Stay safe online.